Okay, first of all, welcome to our channel. Okay, congratulations for his story.
Thank you.
We have seen the trailer. It's amazing and काफी अच्छा response भी मिल रहा है. But personally, what sort of DMs and messages you're getting from your fans?
बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है सो फार. जो जिसने भी ट्रेलर, टीजर एंड द कैरेक्टर posters that we've been sending so far, that we've been putting out so far, I think सब लोग बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं. एवरीबडी सेइंग कि इतना अच्छा स्टोरी है. फर्स्ट टाइम एक that is I'm a part of such a story which deals on the same sex relationship and things like that. So they are quite excited and they're really looking forward to the story. They're really looking forward to the series when it comes out on 25th April. तो या बहुत excited हैं मेरे fans, मेरे followers, मेरे well wishers बहुत excited हैं, and they are also looking forward to the release of his story.
Okay, after Atit, a long comeback again in a web series. What made you to इतना टाइम क्यों लगा वापस से वेब सीरीज में काम करने?
Atit was a movie. Atit was a movie. This is a web series. It's different. But yes, Family Man के बाद I thought that मुझे बहुत सारे offers आए थे. अभी भी आ रहे हैं one by one. I'm listening to scripts very slowly and taking it slow. Family Man के बाद, yes, as I said, बहुत सारे scripts आए, बहुत सारे stories आए, but I did not jump into anything immediately कि मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. थोड़े बहुत कंटेंट उतना उनमें उतना अच्छा नहीं था, स्टोरी उतना कन्विंसिंग नहीं था, so I did not take it up. But when मुझे I think Family Man 2 करने के टाइम पे I got introduced to Supon Verma, who has directed some of the episodes of Family Man and he's written some of the episodes of Family Man also. उन्होंने एक्चुअली मुझे फोन किया था फैमिली मैन 2 मतलब शूटिंग खत्म होने के बाद उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया था और बोला कि ऐसा एक स्टोरी मैंने लिखा है एंड I want you to listen to it first and then you can take a decision whether you want to be a part of it or not. तो मैंने जब उस टाइम पे I remember that it was not called his story also at that point of time, and I was the first artist that was on board the story when it was narrated. And so right from then till now I know the journey of his story and the characters that have been introduced and things like that. So जब मुझे बोला गया था, I really thought it was a very unique way of telling a story, a same sex story, because usually importance उनको जाता है या उस love story के लिए जाता है, but this is a story where that is also there, but it is also depicted from a point of view of a woman कि वो कैसे handle करती है, मतलब and I think that was a unique point of view which got me thinking that अरे मुझे I have to be a part of this project, मुझे ये project के हिस्सा बनना चाहिए. And the way she struggles, उसके struggles क्या है, वो कैसे deal करती है इस situation को, वो कैसे handle करती है, ये क्या 20 साल के शादी के बाद, because उसने एक ही आदमी से प्यार किया है और she has a beautiful family with the man, successful business woman है, husband के साथ भी वो business करती है, he handles her business in this show and things, I mean in the series. So such a good family, like 20 साल एक happy family है, they do everything together. मतलब parties जाते हैं, they opening a restaurant together and everything. तो suddenly एक incident हो जाता है जहाँ पे उसका life turn हो जाता है, and how she handles it, उसके point of view से कैसा हो जाता है, मतलब how she handles the situation, क्या वो handle कर पाती है, because all of a sudden 20 साल के बाद suddenly एक bomb उस पे आ जाता है, and how she is able to handle the whole situation. So I think it was beautifully, जब सुपर ने मुझे बोला था कि I think it was very beautifully told. So I think that was the one that got me very interested in saying yes to his story.
Okay, as you said, as you talk about your journey, so जानना चाहेंगे आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से आपकी ये जर्नी कितनी अच्छी रही है?
You mean of his story की journey?
Yeah.
It has been really beautiful. बहुत ही अच्छा था, right from script reading से be getting introduced to all the other characters like Kunal and जो मेरे बच्चे के characters play कर रहे हैं, मेरे friend की characters जो play कर रही हैं. So it was really beautiful. I think right from script reading ही हम लोग we just got along so well, like director, cameraman, the ADs, all artists. So it was like, and पहली बार and actually दूसरी बार मैं ऐसे script reading कर रही हूँ. पहली बार तो फैमिली मैन के साथ था. So second time this was like with all the characters together. हम लोग एक साथ बैठ के we had like, I think हम लोग we had about 3-4 script readings, and उसमें से we kept dialogues kept changing. So we also kept getting involved in the characters and the dialogues and saying, अच्छा कुणाल ऐसा क्यों बोलेगा, कुणाल तो ऐसा बोलना चाहिए, कुणाल को ऐसा बोलना चाहिए, या साक्षी ऐसे क्यों बोलेगी, साक्षी को ऐसा बोलना चाहिए, साक्षी का कैरेक्टर ऐसा नहीं है तो ऐसे क्यों है. So we started giving our collective suggestions right from the reading, and जो भी doubts थे हम लोगों ने पूछा. And प्रशांत being a fabulous director, बहुत ही what do you say, he was very open to suggestions. जब शूटिंग के टाइम पे भी ऑन द सेट में भी ऑब्वियसली पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस था बिकॉज सिंक साउंड था, तो आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए फ्रॉम एनीबडी, राइट फ्रॉम योर सेट दादा टू स्पॉट दादा टू आर्ट दादा जो भी है, कॉस्ट्यूम दादा, तो सब लोगों को साइलेंट रहना पड़ता है सेट में. एंड प्रशांत बीइंग अ फैबुलस डायरेक्टर, उन्होंने हमें, ही जस्ट लेफ्ट द सीन टू अस सेइंग, अच्छा आप लोग एक्टर्स हैं, सीन तो ऐसा होगा, आपको जो मन में आए आप करो, आपको जैसा लगे कि या तो इफ इट वाज अ सीन बिटवीन कुणाल, साक्षी एंड द किड्स, बच्चे क्या करेंगे या उनके ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं, या हमारे ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए, आपको कैसा करना चाहिए, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, और हाउ डू यू थिंक कुणाल विल हैंडल द सिचुएशन, और हाउ डू यू थिंक साक्षी विल react to the dialogue being said and things like that. So I think we all also gave our collective suggestions also saying, I think हमें ऐसा बोलना चाहिए, मुझे sorry 1 second.
Yeah.
Sorry call आ रहा है.
No worries.
Yeah, so as I was saying, I think we had a lot of fun when we were shooting the thing also, because हम लोग I still remember हम लोग 9 to 9 shoot कर रहे थे. On some days हम लोग that is 9 in the morning to 9 in the night shoot कर रहे थे, and sometimes हम लोग 6 in the evening to 6 in the morning shoot कर रहे थे. So we had a lot of fun, and obviously it's a lot of fun when it's everybody is there on the set and we all are together. तो अच्छा टाइम था, अच्छा. I actually honestly I miss the shooting because इतना मजा आया सबके साथ. हम लोग साथ में बैठ के लंच खाते थे, बात कर रहे थे, कुछ भी मतलब जो भी था, we should just talk about our experiences and things like that. So I miss all of them. I miss from everybody, from the director to Shrinu sir, the DOP, to all the actors, everybody. I miss all of them.
Wow. Any memories you want to share during the shoot? कुछ मस्ती का या any sort of memories जो कभी जहन से नहीं जाने वाली जब भी इस स्टोरी की बात आएगी तो?
I think the whole shoot for me, right from day 1 to day how many ever days we shot, I don't remember, but I think I still remember. I mean, out of all the actors, I was the only actor who never had a day off. Every day मैं set में थी, every day मैं shoot कर रही थी. हालांकि I think एक ही दिन, one day or something, I just had like, I think some 4 hours of shoot or something. That was the only time. But वो भी मैं सुबह से थी, पहला एक सीन किया था, फिर I had a gap of about 5-6 hours, then again evening के टाइम पे था, तो I was stuck where we were shooting. हम लोग ग्रैंड हयात में शूटिंग किया था हमने, तो यहाँ पे मुंबई में, तो we were all there in the hotel, and it was good fun because when बाकी लोग जब शूट कर रहे थे तो उनके सीन्स में जाके देखना कैसे शूट कर रहे हैं, तो the whole shooting set was a lot of fun and बहुत ही एक अच्छा experience था.
Okay, with each character we got to learn many things. तो साक्षी से आपको क्या कुछ सीखने मिला है?
See, one thing I'm very fortunate that till date, whatever character I have played, be it in the South or here in Bollywood, all the characters that I've portrayed have been very strong-willed, very bold characters. They're never afraid of, they're never afraid to say what they want to say. And they just say, look, this is it. मुझे ऐसा करना है, मुझे ये है, ये है, ये है. So they're very strong-willed and very bold characters. So I think I'm very in that way. I'm very fortunate that मुझे ऐसे characters मिल रहे हैं where it's pretty much it's like me. I'm the same. And another thing is I think Sakshi she's very obviously बहुत ही strong है, and the way she has come out of the situation, whatever be the incident, I think both situations say the way she's handled herself, and she's taken over her life saying nahi, I will live my life come what may, जो भी है, because see usually अगर ऐसे एक इंसिडेंट होते हैं तो obviously सब लोग they blame the women for everything. So if there is if a husband cheats on a wife or a wife cheats on a husband, obviously they blame the woman. But in such a situation, they don't know what to, how to handle the situation or how to answer it. And I think Sakshi has beautifully handled the whole situation with her family and professionally also. तो ये situation बहुत beautifully उसने handle किया है. So I think that's what I've taken from Sakshi. The way she's handled the entire incident and the way she's come out of it victorious.
Wow. Ma'am, एक controversy हुई थी जब poster out हुआ था. Like similar poster से comparison किया जा रहा था. So what sort of messages and DMs you were getting from fans, और कैसे आप लोगों ने वो situation handle किया?
Personally, I did not get any sort of message or anything regarding the same poster thing. But I think it was great of Alt to have recognized or realized that there has been a mistake with regards to the poster, and they asked all of us to take it down immediately because हमें पता नहीं था कि ऐसा एक poster already आया हुआ है. But yes, it was really great of Alt to have realized that such a poster is already out, and probably yes, it was a mistake from their side, and they already issued an apology immediately, and the apology has also been accepted. So I think the answer lies there only. So इसके ऊपर अगर हम लोग बात करेंगे, so it doesn't really make any sense because as actors we don't have any creative decision to say. So I think that we leave it to Alt and the creative people to talk more about it.
Okay. Lastly, ma'am, anything you want to say to all the fans and what are the future projects? Because obviously, fans को तो back to back देखना ही है आपको on screen. So,
I think I would just like to say this, that 25th April को his story release हो रहा है, तो please do watch it. The amount of love that you've given to the previous season of the previous series of Alt, which is the married woman, which also deals with the same-sex relationship. This also deals with the same-sex relationship. So the amount of love that all of you have shown to that, I wish you show more love to his story when it comes out on 25th April. And when it releases on 25th April. And apart from that, मेरे जो बाकी जो projects हैं, I'm working, obviously Family Man 2 is going to come out soon. Then I've worked on Maidan with Ajay sir, which is also released soon. They still have a bit of work to do. और South में मेरे बहुत सारे projects हैं, मैंने 3-4 projects sign किया हुआ है. So as of now, I have my plates full. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was amazing having a conversation with you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.